everyone! Today, I'll be giving you detailed explanation on how to use Smartscore solution and tablet. First, let's understand what Smartscore solution is. Smartscore allows golfers to input their scores on the tablet, which are then sent to them to the personal mobile application after the round ends. Additionally, they can print out digital scorecards in the clubhouse. Our solution also provides features to make your tasks as caddies easier and more convenient. Now, let's proceed with the instructions on how to use it. First, caddies will be using the Smartscore tablet installed on the golf carts. Here's how to use the Caddie mode on the tablet with our solution. Turn on the tablet and select Round Start from the Caddie mode screen. On this screen, caddies need to check the battery level and mobile data signal. To update to a new version, you can click the Update button. Choose the Settings button to activate LTE and GPS, and select the language you will use. Please make sure that Wi-Fi is turned off during this process. After completing the settings, press the Select Caddie button. Now, choose your caddy number or name, and then confirm. You can select up to 2 caddies on one tablet. Now press Start a round to create a new round, or select a previously created round to join as part of the same team. I will first explain how to create a new round. When you select Create a new round and press the Confirm button, the round settings screen will be displayed. On this screen, caddies can reselect their caddy number and choose cart numbers, tee off times, and select front 9 and back 9 courses. Additionally, you should input player names, genders, colors of tee box in use, etc. Selecting the country and entering the phone number allows the system to send scores to the player after the round ends. If 5 players are playing as a team, select 5-person game and enter additional information. If we're supporting a round with more than 1 cart per team, caddies coordinate and create a new round only from the main tablet after discussion. The rest of the tablets can select the round created by the main tablet from the screen with the list of rounds. Caddies must double-check and confirm the tee times, course names, and guest names associated with their rounds. Before starting the round, you must press the Club Photo button to take photos of clubs after checking the conditions of the golfer's clubs. The photo taken will be stored for 3 months and can be checked by golf course team members. Now finally, select the player to enter the score among the registered players and click the Save button. If you have entered all the information, now press the Start Round button to move to the next step. In the screen where you can input the score, caddies can check the aerial videos of each hole. You can check the hole layout and the distance from the tee box or other location to the pin. You can also click on the green area to get a detailed view of the pin position. And the caddy selects the score column and enters the player's score. Enter the score based on the number of strokes. If you need to enter a score that is not indicated on the screen, you can press and hold the number 5 to enter other scores. Caddies can also enter the player's phone number by selecting the Enter button below the player's name. Select the country and enter the player's phone number. Caddies can access detailed hole information in the yardage menu. By clicking the GPS layout button, you can view the map of the current hole you're located at and check the distance from the cart to the green or the pin position. They can also click on the green area to examine the pin position in detail. They can choose between yards and meters to view distances in different units. The camera button is a photo shooting function for creating memories of the golfing guests. The photos taken can be viewed when printing the scorecard at the lobby kiosk. Caddies and customers can view player photos in the gallery menu. The caddy can use other functions in the Caddie menu. In the top right corner, caddies can modify the installed round information by selecting the Round Settings menu. Caddies can modify the tee time and customer names of the new rounds they have created. In the case of rounds created by other people, caddies cannot modify the preset round information beforehand. When playing in a tournament, caddies must enter the team name. For rounds participating in the same tournament, the same team name must be entered. In this case, customers can check the real-time rankings of all participants in the tournament. Since you entered the team name on the previous screen, the Team Button function has been activated. By selecting this button, internal guests can check live scores and rankings. They can also check detailed scores. When you click on the food order in the Caddie menu, you can order food for the passengers. The messenger function is a feature where the Caddie selects the recipient and sends a message. By selecting the golf course staff or all, front 9, back 9, or another Caddie to receive the message, entering the message and sending it will transmit the message to the selected recipient. Selecting the other button allows you to send a message to the restaurant manager. Or the Caddie can quickly send a message by selecting the characters set in. In the Notice function, you can check various news that are announced to caddies at the golf course. After completing the round, the Caddie selects Club Check from the Caddie menu to take another photo to ensure that the customer's clubs and covers have not been lost before and after the round. In the Caddie menu, selecting Gallery allows you to view photos taken of clubs and customers. In the Caddie Notebook feature, you can record details during the round or note the condition of customers' clubs after the round. After verifying the club condition with the customer and obtaining their signature, you can store the photo of the clubs taken. After checking the Club Check in Caddie Notebook and entering all the scores, you can send the scores. If the guest played all 18 holes, the Caddie should check if they have entered the score for all holes and then press the Score Transmission button. If the score transmission icon has turned red, it means that all scores have been entered, so you can go ahead and transmit the scores. If the round was cancelled due to rain, or if the guest did not play all holes due to personal reasons, you still need to press the Incomplete Transmission button to send the round. This button is for changing the way of viewing the score. The default setting is over tap, and if you change it to Total Tap View, you can check the score in Total Taps. If players wish to play an additional 9 holes, the Caddie can set up the tablet as follows. First, enter scores for all 18 holes. Second, click on Round Setup in the Caddie menu. Third, choose Add 9 holes, select the course, and press the back button. Swipe to the score screen to enter scores for the additional 9 holes. When the Caddie presses the Score Transmission button, the round ends. Once the round ends, you cannot edit any other information. If more than 2 tablets are used in one round, the last transmitted score result will be saved as the final result in the system. Please make sure all scores are saved before transmitting the score. Here's how players receive their scores. To automatically receive scores through the Smartscore application, players need to follow these steps for registration. Step 1. Download the Smartscore app from the Android Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Step 4. Send an authentication code to the customer's phone. Step 5. Enter the authentication code sent to the customer's phone. Step 6. Create a 6-digit login password. Step 7. Agree to the terms of service. You can close the screen afterward. Step 8. Your account has been successfully registered. Players will then be able to automatically receive their scores through the Smartscore application. During the round, you can match your round by entering the 4-digit round code displayed on the tablet, or by scanning the QR code. I hope that through this video, caddies can understand how to use the Smartscore solution on tablets. Thank you for watching.